Welcome back, style enthusiasts. Today, we are diving into the ultimate 2026 guide for men's square sunglasses. Whether you are dressing up for a formal event or hitting the streets, square frames are dominating the year. We are seeing a massive mix of bold retro influences, minimalist metal, and high-end designer styles. Retro styles are making a huge comeback with thick acetate frames that offer a strong, masculine silhouette. For a more refined look, minimalist metal frames are the go-to for professional and formal settings. High-end designers are pushing boundaries this year with oversized silhouettes and unique bridge details. Finding a frame that complements your face shape is key. Square frames add great structure to rounder faces. From vintage-inspired to ultra-modern, there's a square frame for every style in 2026. Let us know your favorite style in the comments. Thanks for watching and stay stylish. Let's start with the top trends defining 2026. First on the list is retro and thick acetate. These vintage-inspired thick frames offer a highly confident and bold look. You will mostly see them rocking classic black or tortoiseshell patterns, often with sculptural facets that play with light. If you prefer a cleaner look, the minimalist metal frames are the way to go. They provide a highly sophisticated and modern aesthetic while remaining extremely lightweight and durable. For a truly refined look, rimless and half-frame sunglasses are incredibly stylish and lightweight. And finally, for the trendsetters, we have bold streetwear. Think oversized, flat-top square sunglasses featuring detailed bridges. A perfect example is the Daraz Premium Flat Top. Which of these 2026 trends defines your style? Check out our top recommendations to stay ahead. Now, how do you choose the right pair for your lifestyle? We've broken our top recommendations down into 3 categories. Number 1, functionality and driving. If you are behind the wheel, you absolutely need UV400 polarized black-framed sunglasses. Keep an eye out for the Mendy's square sunglasses or the Daraz outdoor polarized options for maximum road clarity. Number 2, luxury and designer. If you want to invest in superior quality, high-end staples from Tom Ford or Louis Vuitton are the pinnacle of 2026 fashion. Looking for a designer feel without the luxury price tag? Capone offers excellent designer-inspired choices. Number 3, affordable and trendy. You don't have to break the bank to stay stylish. Daraz.pk has a huge variety of affordable square styles, ranging from vintage-inspired looks to modern rimless frames. Before you click Add to Cart, let's go over the essential features you should look for. First, sun protection is non-negotiable. Always ensure your shades feature UV400 protection. Next, consider the shape. Square frames are highly versatile and work wonderfully across diverse face shapes, instantly giving you a sharp and structured appearance. Lastly, always evaluate the lens material and frame durability. You want a pair that is not only stylish but guarantees comfort for all-day wear. That wraps up our 2026 men's square sunglasses guide. Remember, confidence is your best accessory. Stay sharp.